Hello, hello, hello. I hope all is well with you and your family. Welcome for another day of live technical analysis where you can know when to enter, where to place stop loss, and where to put your take profit. We are an educational platform and you can check our previous live stream where you can learn and add to your trading strategy. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe or else Bagdanov will dump on you. Feel free to ask questions and suggest coin so we can add it today. Okay, let's now check our coin. So what do we have here? Okay, hello everyone. Hello. Hello Christian Legaspi. Okay, thank you for joining our giveaway. Okay, so Klein, Matthew, Lodi. Hello El Negro. Thank you, buddy. Hello RA. Hello. Hello, Donyo Aranas. Hello, hello. Thank you for joining us. Angela, hello again. Hello, Mary. Yes, thank you for joining. Hello, Chris Cruz. Thank you for joining us again. So we had our Zoom educational class, right? Zoom meeting, 6 to 7 p.m. So So we thank you for joining it, and now you are all here again in our live technical analysis. Okay, so thank you for following our steps also. Hello, Mr. Ermela. Thank you for joining us again. Okay. Okay, so basic technical analysis that we need to all learn, we need all to learn is, of course, I encourage you to stay in the market. Okay, stay in the market. Observe the market and get to know the market so that you can see these patterns right away. Okay? Because this pattern doesn't lie. Okay? Triple top, triple bottom, wedge reversal, wedge continuation, channel down, channel up, flags, bear flags, bull flags, rectangles. Okay, the rectangle usually is we call it with Ian box and chill. Okay, box and chill. You make a box in the consolidation and then chill, whether it goes to the upside or to the downside. Okay, pennants, bullish and bearish pennants, double bottom, ascending triangle, symmetrical triangles. Okay, so you recognize these breakout patterns. Okay, this is breakout patterns once you are always in the market. Okay. So you can see it easily. You can spot it right away. Okay? So once you figure out those patterns right here, this candle doesn't make sense. But once you know the pattern, you can make money with it. Okay? So you can recognize, okay, the patterns with you. Okay? So just like this one, it looks double, triple bottom. Okay, then it break out to the upside. Okay, so head and shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder, and then break out to the upside. Okay, so it is necessary for us to stay in the market so we easily uh see the patterns. Okay, so just like here, we are forming shoulder and then head and then shoulder again. Okay, and we are now going to the upside. Okay, this is our daily time frame, for our time frame. So that's important right there. This right there. Okay, just like this one, shoulder, head, and then shoulder. Okay, and now it's going up to the upside. Okay, so that's how you recognize some pattern, and then the breakout will be to the downside. Okay. Okay, so that's the basic. So you get to see all these charts right here, these patterns right here once you soak yourself in the market. Okay? So you study the market, you find these patterns right here. Okay? And once you see this cup and handle, usually this is visible. Okay, you can see this most of the time. Okay, this cup and handle. Okay? Okay. So, let's check some news. Let's check some news from Bitcoin. Can you hear me clearly? Hello, hello. Myla Ranido, thank you for joining us. Okay. So for our Bitcoin news, we have here daily RSI gives signal that historically preceded huge upward moves. Okay? So that's a good sign right there. In our RSI, okay, RSI, this one is the RSI right here. So it's giving a signal for upside move. Okay, BTC has broken out from the short-term symmetrical triangle. Oh, it broke out to the symmetrical triangle. Okay. So there's this one right here. March 2020 preceding an upward move of nearly 1000%. May 2021 preceded an upward movement of 121%. Okay, so this is the one that is being talked here. So right now we are also making that the same RSI movement. Okay, in our February. Wow. So that's interesting, okay? Okay. So another news. January becomes worst month for Bitcoin since 2018, okay? So everybody was saying January is always a bull, right? But it didn't happen this time. It's even the worst. Okay? Worst month of for Bitcoin since 2018. Okay? So that's why we cannot time the market. If it happens before, we cannot always expect that it will happen again. Okay? Okay. Another news right here, 40,785 BTC transferred as Bitcoin reached 39,000. A historical strong sign for price. Oh, transferred as Bitcoin reaches. There's people huddling already. Okay, there are people buying already. And also, if you are in Twitter, there's a news already that the stolen Bitcoin in 2016 is now moving. Okay, this Bitcoin usually moves. Okay, when there is a huge movement, it cannot be withdrawn. It's hard to withdraw. So the hacker who owns the Bitcoin, it's a lot. Okay, it's 100,000 Bitcoin. So the hacker uses it for pump and dump, for manipulating the market. Okay, so okay. So 40,785 BTC were moved away from exchange. Okay, it means move away from exchange after buying the Bitcoin. It was placed in the wallet. Okay, the hard wallet. Okay, so it was put in their wallet. So it will be huddle. Okay, that's huddling. Okay, so you get your Trezor wallet and then you put your Bitcoin right there. Okay, okay. So let's check now our Bitcoin. Okay, what do we have here for our Bitcoin? I will show you monthly. Okay, this is monthly time frame. Okay, I haven't shown you this. I haven't shown you. Did I show you this yesterday? Okay, I remember I showed it to you yesterday. Okay. So this is monthly time frame because today is February 1. Okay? So February 1 and this one is October 2013. This is 2013 right here, the bull run. Another bull run right here, 2017. And then another bull run right here, 2021 up to right now. Okay? So these are the bull cycles that we experience. And basing from this big picture, you can see a trend. Okay? So usually, every time it reaches its peak, it goes down. There will be a retest to the support, and then if it doesn't hold, then it goes down. Like this one, it was retested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times retesting the support, and what happened? It break to the downside. Okay, 9 months. Okay, and this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 months retested and then break to the downside. Okay, then bullish. Okay? Cup and handle. And then, this one also happened. And right now, this one is our support. Okay? This first line, 34754. Okay? So, we have retested it how many times? 1, 2, 3. And then 4. It did not break. Okay? It didn't break. So, right now, we printed new candle. 27 days more because this is February. the shortest the shortest month, right? So, this is the candle right now that is being printed. The good news is it is higher low. Okay? When I say higher low, this is the low, the primary low. This is the secondary low, which is higher low. Okay? Low, higher low. Okay? So we can expect upside again. But of course, we will expect some rejection also. If you see it touches our support here, 38025. And then it bounce again to the upside. Okay? So after touching it, it bounced to the upside. Okay. So we can expect more to the downside. Okay? It can retest again. It can go down again to retest or long wick. Okay? Just like we have predicted in the news that there will be more to the upside. It is a sign for RSI. Okay? That is daily time frame. The same thing that happened in the past, that it will be very bullish. Okay? So with this one, we can expect that if that takes place, then we can have a long wick to liquidate the long position, okay, for those who have higher leverage. So they will get liquidated and then it will go up to the upside. Okay, just like this one, long wick and then went up. Remember this long candle right here. Okay, this long candle right here with the long wick right here. Okay, that one is actually liquidating the long position. So they liquidated the long position and then went up. Okay, that's how usually the institution moves. Okay, so we cannot expect another upside if it doesn't have any long wick. Okay, so just a quick long wick shadow and then goes up again. Okay, so that is the possibility. Here it has equal. Okay, this is equal, but this is bullish engulfing. Okay, small red, big green. Okay, let me show you the candlestick pattern. Bullish candle. Small red, big green. Okay, so that's bullish. The next candle is supposed to be a green candle also. So right here, small red, big green, bullish engulfing. So the next candle was a green candle also. And in fact, it pumped hard. Okay. The movement was how many percent? It moved up to 97%. Wow. That's a huge move right there from this pump. Okay, so if you expect another 100% movement here, let me check the ruler. 100%. Okay, here. So we can expect 77,000. Okay, if it moves 100% to the upside. Okay? That's the possibilities right there. Okay? So, hello, hello. Okay, thank you for joining our giveaway. Yes, we will include your names. And don't forget to share your screenshot, okay? Share your screenshot that you like, comment, and subscribe. And also share to your wall. Okay? Share to your wall in your Facebook. Okay, that you're watching our live stream. Okay, and share it in our Telegram community. Scan the QR code. If you are not yet part of our Telegram, scan the QR code and be part of it. Okay? So this is our Telegram community right here. And we share some signals here. We share some profits right here for those who are trading. Okay? Once our trades are executed, we share signals also. TA in the morning. Okay? So this is our community right here. Okay? Okay, okay. So going back. This is monthly time frame, okay? Hello Angela. Yes, we are checking now BTC USD. This is monthly time frame. And I am showing you if this goes to the downside to retest, Just like this one, went to the downside, break the support, and then went to the downside. Look at our MACD. Can you see the MACD right here? MACD is crossing over. Okay? And once you see a crossing over, that's a dangerous thing right there. It's more to the downside. Okay? Just like here, our volume in our MACD, even though it is higher high, but our volume is lower high. That's why the next volume now is to the downside. Okay? So meaning there is more chance to the downside, just like this one, red, so it went down. Okay? Here. Let's study the chart. Okay? So it crossed here, but didn't drop right away, right? It didn't drop right away. Still hold, still hold, still hold, still hold until the gap went down, and so it breaks to the downside. Okay? The same picture is happening also here. Okay? And hold, 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 and then drops. Okay? So we don't know yet. Okay? Because we have printed higher high. This is a different story. Okay? This is a different story right here. Because here, there is no higher high. Okay? It's just purely sideways. Okay? Sideways. Okay? Just waiting to break. This is a different story from this one. Because this one is forming higher high. Okay? Still fighting to the upside. Okay, and the movement is not yet satisfied. Let me show you. From the previous bull run, from here to here, our bull run was 9,800% movement. Okay? 9,800%. The next bull run, from here to here, it's 1,741% movement. Okay? That's a huge move. 62 bars. And then, the next bull run, from here to here, is only 261%. Can you call it a bull run? It's like a beginning, right? It's just a beginning. So if we are moving for 1,000%, okay, at least 800%, let's say 1,000%. If it moves 1,000%, let me check here, 1,000% for our bull run, okay, to close. We can reach to 225,000. Okay? Okay, 225,000. Okay, let me check. Here. So if it moves the next bull run, another 1,000, okay, we can expect 221,000. Okay, if it moves 500%, we can expect 119,000. Okay, so we are still in 200%, so we can expect more to the upside, okay? So with that, let's check our weekly time frame. Okay. So this is our accumulation phase, Wyckoff's market cycle, accumulation, reaccumulation, distribution, accumulation, reaccumulation, distribution, redistribution, accumulation. Okay, every market has a cycle. Okay, it's always not to the moon. Okay, so for our mooners, there is always a bear market after. Wyckoff's market cycle, this is this is bookish. So accumulation, spring to the upside, reaccumulation, distribution, spring to the downside, mark down, redistribution, and then accumulation. Okay? And we can see that in our market right now. Accumulation, reaccumulation, distribution, redistribution, and then accumulation. Okay, so if this is already our accumulation phase, we already are being supported with our downward slope resistance. Okay? We broke out with our downward slope resistance. It's a strong support here. It bounced, it breaks. We got rejected here, but now we are breaking this area. So right now we are gonna rest here. Okay, this will be our resting area. This will be our new support. Okay, new support right here. Okay, that's a possibility right there. 38 to 208. Okay, so we rested there, and this can be a good support area right here. Okay, for our Wyckoff's market cycle. This one is a pitchfork. Okay, from our uh, indicators also. So in pitchfork, check weekly time frame. In pitchfork, we are inside, okay, the pitchfork. And we have find a support here. In our fib lines, we find a support exactly to the teeth. Imagine, we are supported to the teeth right here in 0.382. So that's a good bounce right there. That's a strong bounce right there. And our target price will be our golden ratio, which is 1.618. 105,000. Okay, for our Bitcoin price. Okay, so if you buy Bitcoin now in its 30,000 plus, so you are having it like 25% only in the price. For the future, 105%. Okay, you are still in sale. Hello, hello. Jan Zamudio. Thank you for joining us, okay? Okay, so this is for our... Okay, let's check also this one. So our weekly time frame, this is head and shoulder pattern, but the breakout to the downside. But we found a support here in this area. Okay, in our VPVR, we find the support here. Strong volume here, trading area right here, 34 to 36. So we bounce. We entered a cloud. Okay, the cloud is a strong indicator also. Ichimoku cloud, this one is Ichimoku cloud, and a cloud is a visual representation. Visual representation of our support and resistance. Okay, let me show you something for our Ichimoku cloud example. Look at this cloud right here. Been bombarded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has been tested, but it did not break. So after touching it again, it pumped to the upside. Okay? It pumped to the upside. 8 hours. Let me check for the 8 hours. $12. Okay. 1 day. So we can find here, it's being supported right here, and then it pumps again. And if you notice, after crossing this Ichimoku cloud, it breaks to the downside, okay? It dips, okay? This is a capitulatory low. It went down, okay? So there's a huge sell-off right here. It didn't hold the support area. So because we break the support area, so it dumps, okay? That's the purpose of this Ichimoku cloud right here. Okay? So right here, we touch the cloud, we pump again. Okay? This is Tenken Sen, Pigeon Sen, Senku A, Senku B. Okay? Every layer is a layer of support. Okay? The lower it goes, the stronger the support. So the weakest support, stronger support, the better support than these two lines here, and the strongest support right here. Okay? So that's how it looks like. So after crossing the cloud, it pumps hard. Okay? Okay. So that's what we are looking at with our Ichimoku cloud. So right now, we are inside the cloud. We touch the cloud and then we pump again. Okay? So we are in safe hands right now. Okay. So what do we have here? Okay. This one, I am showing you all directions, okay? The bulls and the bears, so you can always be ready whatever happens. So this one, fib circle, is predicting major movement every time it crosses a ring, okay? So every time it crosses a ring, it moves to the either to the downside or to the upside, okay? So right here, we can see here that after crossing a ring, it went sideways, okay? Consolidation. How are you going to use this fib circle? You just find fib circle here, and then from previous all-time high, right here, and then from the beginning of the run. Okay? So consolidation, and then pumps to the upside. Upside, it moves 80%. Okay, that's a huge move right there. Okay, 85, 85, 80%. Okay? So another cross to the ring, another consolidation. And it moves 74%. And now we cross another ring. This one is December 13, where it all began to the downside, right? So December 13. After crossing consolidation, and right now we are going down. Okay? So if this is already the bottom, then that's good. We are supported and we're gonna go up again. Just like here, let me show you. Just like here, it went down and then it pumps. Okay, just like here. After the drop of red candle, the next candle was green. This one is hammer. Okay, this one is hammer, or we call it bullish harami. Okay, let me show you the chart, the candlestick pattern. Here, bullish harami, where it would most likely go to the upside. Okay, bullish harami. Bullish harami. Here, harami. Okay, so neutral pattern where price is being pushed into a tighter range and will break out soon. Okay, so this is about to break out soon. Okay, that's for our harami right there. And it's most probably break out to the upside or to the downside, depends on the color. Okay, so that's our explanation right there. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, feel free to suggest coins. Okay, we will check your suggested coins. Okay, so if it goes to the downside with 80% move, we can reach 10,000. And if the 10,000 is hit, we start again in our bull run. Where we began, we end there also. Okay, that cannot stay long, but it can be a long week and then goes up again. Okay, that's possible. Okay, let's check the log. Okay, let me, where's this one? The log. Okay, where's the 2019 bull run? 2007. I will try something. Okay, weekly time frame. This one is 2017. This one 2019. End of bull fib circle. We are forming darts here. We are not playing darts, okay? Okay, so the run here, and then the bottom here, the start of the bull run again. Okay. You notice where it started, there is a dip also in 2019. Okay, this is 2019. After crossing the ring, it went down. Okay? It went down, and where it began, our bull run is 3.6. So we ended in 3.8. Okay? Can you see the picture? And right now, this is our bull run here. Fib circle. Okay. Okay. This is our 2019 bull run, where after crossing, okay, our bull run is crossing, right? Right now we are crossing again. So this is the this up to violet color. Okay, you can take a screenshot with this one. Okay, so from high to low right here. After crossing here, it entered the next cycle. Okay, this is cycle and another cycle. After crossing, it dropped. Okay, so where the bull run started, 3.5, we drop in 3.8. Okay, let me put the price target here. Okay, 3.44. And then the drop, this is just a long wick, 1 month, and then pumps again, 3.8. Okay, so the bull run, the all-time high is right here. Now, we started with our bull run again for the next bull run right here. This is 2021. Okay? Scary, right? If this happens in our 2019 bull run, and right now it's happening again in our bull run right here in our 2022, 2021, from all-time high to here, starting of bull run, and now we cross again this area right here. We cross again this area right here, and we are starting to drop already. Just like here, crossing and then drop, and then long wick, and then to the upside. Okay? And we have moving average here, MA. Okay, moving average. Let's try the 100. Okay. Okay, so we have a support here in 100, 32661. Okay, we find a support in 32661. The same support where we are supported here. Let's try the 200 moving average. Okay. Look at this area right here. We are supported here after being supported with our bull run, and then we bounce in our 200 moving average and we went up. Okay, this is 2019. We bounce, we drop, crossing the ring, we drop, and then we find a support in our 200 moving average, and then went up again, and then this is our 200 moving average. Okay, so from here, if we really need to touch the 200 moving average before another bull run, then we haven't touched it yet. And the price of our 200 moving average is in 19,000. Hello, are you with me? Scary, right? I will save this chart. I like this chart. We just created here during live, right? Wow. So we made another chart. I'm gonna rename this. This one will be fib circle. Long frame. Okay, long frame. So at least we created our own chart right here. And if that happens, we can expect a dump up to here. Okay, because of crossing. Okay, based on the fib circle. Okay, drop. Find the support here, even long wick. Okay, so we can expect a long wick. So we are still far from our 200 moving average, and we need it to confirm some bull market. Okay, a bear market, I mean. Okay, then pumps again to the upside. Okay, are you with me? Is somebody listening? Can you hear me clearly? Okay, okay. I hope you can hear me clearly. Okay, okay. So this is interesting chart right here. Okay, so you can verify this to other analysts. Okay. Okay. What do we have now? So how are we going to trade Bitcoin? We stayed long in our Bitcoin because this is February 1. So we need to spend more time in Bitcoin. Okay, okay. That's good that you're here, Mr. Ermela. I showed you how to pull it. Okay, so you know if you want to do it on your own, you can do the same thing. Okay. So let's check our Bitcoin right now. How to trade Bitcoin? I think our Bitcoin is still in play. So let's remove this. Okay. So we have a hammer right here, and this is also bullish engulfing. Okay, but with our indicators, we have touched our support resistance area. Okay, 38959, where we are supposed to be rejected. Okay, that's rejection area, and that's accurate, by the way. You know, this long wick right here is that's institutions doing. They want to hit the stop loss also of those who place here. You know, so that they will open their position here because if you put your entry here, you may likely put your stop loss here, and the institution, the smart money, will put their entry here so that they will eat your stop loss, so you are taken out of the trade, and then it goes down on their way. Okay, so that sucks, right? You are out of the trade, and then You're out of the trade and then it went on your way. So 4-hour time frame, this is a strong support here. This trend line goes to our all-time high, previous all-time high. Okay, so this is a strong support. Okay, this trend line right here is a strong support. So we broke it out to the upside. So we can expect that we can find support here. So if you want to open short position, this is the area where you can open short position. And I also put it there. 37853. Long position, I mean. 37853. Okay, entry 2. You can open a short, long position here. Okay, so if it goes down, you see the long wick went down, but it did not reach this one. Okay, find support already here. Okay, it found support here. Okay, this is the support that he found here. The long wick right here. Okay, let me draw the line. Okay, so it found support here and then bounce again to the upside. Okay, rejection area, bouncing area. So if there will be consolidation, we will have a consolidation in this area. Okay, so let's check our RSI is not oversold. Our awesome oscillator is twin peaks. Okay, the same height with here. Even though it's higher high, the volume is low. Okay, but it's not end yet. It's not ending yet. It depends on what candle it will be printing the next candle. Okay, we still have more than, we still have 3 hours more. Okay, the new candle just got printed. Okay, okay. It's good. It's good. You're here. Hello, Jan Zam. Thank you for joining us. We are an educational platform. Okay. So this is right here. Okay. Go to the upside. Support area. This entries right here. Rejection area. And then our 1.618 can be another rejection area right here. Okay. So let's check our 1-hour time frame. So our 1-hour time frame is printing a bullish. Okay. This is a bull candle. Our, let's say this one is a flag, okay? Full flag. So a flag goes like this. Okay, this is the flag. And then if you want to know where's the take profit for a flag, here. So this is, oh, fits well with our another support. Surprise me. Okay? 40,573 area of rejection, okay? So this is a fake out and went down. So after dumping, find support here in the support and then goes up again. Okay, all liquidating here, another liquidating here. Okay, so now it's going to the upside. So let's see if this continues. If we break this resistance right here, then we can continue to the upside. Let's check if Ichimoku cloud. We are above Ichimoku cloud, so nothing to worry. Also, our long position is already in our EMA ribbon. Okay, our RSVVB, we are all, the top can be here. Okay, unless we move massive move. Okay, if we are already done with the constriction, I told you, right, there will be constriction before massive move. Just like this one, it got constricted here, the tunnel got constricted and then it moves massive. So right here, we need to constrict here and then so that it can move massive. Okay, that's the possibility right there. Okay, okay, so I think, okay, let's delete this one. So let's see how are we going to trade this in our 1-hour time frame, by the way. Okay, our 1-hour time frame, our volume is still huge, but it's descending. Okay, even though it's higher high, see this higher high, our volume is lower. Okay, this is what we call the twin peaks right here. And I say twin peaks, it means there is no volume anymore and there is a divergence. Okay, there is a bearish divergence incoming. Hello, David Almeida. Okay, let me check here. Let me check the awesome oscillator. Okay, twin peaks, higher high. Our candle is printing higher high, but our awesome oscillator is lower high. Okay, so with this, you can expect it went down. Okay, it went down. No more volume to the upside. Okay, the same with the bullish twin peaks. Lower high, a lower low, higher low. I mean, the volume is higher low, and then this one is lower low. So even though it's going down, but our volume is not enough, so it went to the other side. Divergence, bullish divergence. It went to the upside. Okay. So the same thing right now is printing in our 1 hour time frame. So most probably, let's remove now. That most probably, we can continue more to the downside. Okay, we can find support here in 37761. Okay, so with this in mind, oops. Okay, with this in mind, our BTC. Let's remove our RSVVB DW. Okay, so if you want to use this indicator, it's still free. You can use it. RSVVB. Okay, RSVVB. You can check this indicator right here. Okay. So our entry, do we need to update our entry? Entry is still the same. Our long position is still locked in here. 37,761. 37,761. So we adjusted a little. And then another entry. This is risky. So it might easily get broken. Up to the downside. So it's risky. So we might find another support here in this green line. Okay, this green line is 37523. 37523 in the long position. Okay, 38226. Long position is risky. 38 and then 375. Here, this blue line right here is another entry. Okay, so take a screenshot. Our short position is still here. You open short here. Okay, this is risky. 38952. Another entry is here. 39274. Okay, just use 1 to 5% and stop loss 1 to 5% stop loss, and then your portfolio 2 to 5% only. Trade at your own risk, do your own research. NFA, not financial advice. Okay, okay, take a screenshot. 1 2 3. Okay, that's great. So let's see the suggested coins right now. Sol. Okay, let's check Sol. Okay, let's have a check with the Sol right here. Solana. Okay, Sol. We found support here. Sorry about that. Sol. Entry 99.69. Okay, it's already pumping. Okay, so this is invalidated. Okay, so what do we have here? This is a strong support right now for Sol. Okay, let's check for our time frame. So to find the trading area, this is the trading area right here. And this is the spring. Okay, spring. Spring to the upside. Okay, the spring to the upside. Got rejected at the same area where we find resistance, and now we find it as a support. Oh, interesting. We got rejected and went down. Our trading area is supposed to be here. Okay. So after the spring, because of the spring, with when I say trading area, it's supposed to be like this one. Okay. And then like this one. And then spring to the upside. Okay. Full pack. And then power up to the upside. And then rejection. And then went again inside the trading area. Okay. Gathering strength. So it can break out again. Okay. Now breaking out the previous resistance, and now retesting, and then we get support, and then either we get sideways more and then pumps. Okay, okay, let's find the resistance area. Okay, we get resistance here. Okay, strong resistance in this area also. This area also. Okay, So we are getting, okay, it breaks to the upside. Price target usually is to the upside from bottom to top. We already hit our target price. Okay, so we hit already our target price. That's why it's consolidating again. Okay, that's how it works. Consolidating again. If this breaks, then it will go down again. Okay, if this doesn't hold, it will go down again. Maybe find support here, and then this will be at the next trading area. Okay, that's how it works right there. Okay, let me pull out some fib lines. Sorry. Okay, so we have touched the point 236. Then we went up to the upside. We supported in 0.382. Then we bounced to the upside. We passed the 1, and then we are targeting right now the 1.618. Okay, so how are we going to trade this one? Our 4-hour time frame is still very bullish. It's not oversold, overbought yet in our RSI. Our 1-hour time frame is already overbought. Okay, overbought. And then let's see if it's still higher high. Okay. The volume is still going up. Okay, the volume is still going up. If this prints a green candle here, the next candle 13 minutes. If the next candle is green, then that can mean more to the upside, okay? Because this 1-hour time frame, this is bullish harami, okay? So more probably to the upside, okay? And it's forming double bottom. See the double bottom? If it breaks here, okay, and go to the upside, okay? That's the possibility right there, okay? How are we going to trade this one? Let's check our RSVVB. Okay, so in our rubber band, I told you our market is like a rubber band. Once it constricts first, okay, and then moves a massive move to the either upside or downside here, it may move to the downside. And now it made a constriction here again. The tunnel is constricting here, and then it moves, but it's moving now to the upside. Okay, so if it continues, then it can move more to the upside, okay? Because of this constriction right here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's check our Ichimoku cloud. Oops. Okay, so right here, Ichimoku, right here, our upside. Okay, how are we going to trade this one? If you want to open rejection area right here, a good time to short if you want to short here. Okay, if you want to open long position here, okay, in the trading area, so you can make this as a trading area right here, this green line right here. Okay, so if it goes sideways to accumulate volume to more to the upside, so if you open here long position and then short position, you just keep your stop loss okay, so you don't lose big time. Okay, you only lose 1 to 6%. All USDT. Okay, let's check the long position. Entry will be 104.24. Okay, the only way. If we break this to the upside, we can also make an long position right here, okay? So if we find a confirmation to the breakout to the upside, then you can also open long position here because we can take profit here, the upside, okay? Entry to 108.27, okay? This one, this one is risky. So if we get rejected again here, because we are in the middle of something, we are not yet printing awesome oscillator candle. Okay, so that's why I will just put risky if you enter here. Okay, but as long as you put your stop loss, you are willing to lose 1 to 6%, and you are willing to get the chance of winning bigger. Okay. Okay, our long position, let me check here. You put stop loss here, loss is below here. Then your take profit is right here. Okay, this is 7 to 0.59 risk reward ratio. Risky, okay? It's risky. Okay, this one. Okay, so this is our 3. For those who will try to enter this, also kindly verify it with our another analyst, okay, Ian, in the Telegram community, okay? So he can guide you in the proper stop loss, okay? Where to put stop loss, and he can also adjust some for our entry, okay? So I recommend that you double check also, okay? Okay, so what do we have here? To TP1 will be our first TP will be the previous high 108 108.98. Okay, TP2 TP2 will be let's hit the 1.5 116.45. T3 will be 119.25. Okay, leverage, stop loss and leverage, okay? Must you adjust your stop loss based on your leverage. If you want short position, okay? Short position, open short position here in the top previous high. Entry, okay? So if that's the top already, then 108.98. Okay, entry. Entry. Another entry is this 108.27. Okay, 108.27. You can also make that as your entry. Okay, TP1 will be 104.74. Okay. If it doesn't hold, you still have TP2. You get in 99.50. Okay. TP2, 99.50. You're short right here. Okay. So, trade at your own risk. Do your own research. And then, not financial advice, okay? So, 2 to 5% portfolio only. Portfolio. Okay. Okay, okay. Great. Okay. What do we have here? Okay, let's check another coin. After Sol, ADA. Okay, let's check ADA, okay? And then the last one will be TRX. Okay, ADA. We checked ADA yesterday. Okay, we are in the triangle. Okay, if it breaks out to the downside, we are now retesting the support. We got rejected we got rejected in our rejection area, and we got supported in our support area. Okay, that's accurate. An accurate right there. Okay, we are holding the line. Let's see. So how to trade? Our trading area right now. Okay, we are starting to constrict. We are starting to constrict the band. Okay, and then we're gonna move either to the upside or to the downside. Okay, let's see. So right now our trading area is here. You can open long position here and then short position here. Okay, that's our trading area right there. Okay, no volume yet. Okay, so hard to determine. We will just do scalping so that I can give some signals at the moment. Okay. There's no volume yet. It's still going sideways. ADA or ADA long. Entry will be 1.04. Okay, 532. Okay, if you notice those green lines, those are trading areas where you can put support resistance, okay? So if you can take screenshot, this can be, you can enter here for short, you can enter here for short. In the green, you can enter for long. Look at this. I put here the price tag. If you put long position here, you already made money to the upside. Okay, if this breaks, then you trade open, make open long position here. Okay? So these green lines are accurate candle, accurate price number, okay? So entry, okay, and then another entry for long is if it goes down again 1.0179. Okay, if it doesn't hold, this one is risky. Okay, SL 1 to 5%. TP1 will be 1.08292. Okay, TP2 will be 1.12515. Okay? Okay, this is long position. For short position, you can look at our awesome oscillator is still trying to go to the higher high, which is good. So we can still have more room to the upside, okay? Volume is still going higher high. Okay, so our awesome oscillator is still telling us more to the upside. In 4 hour, we just crossed. Okay, so the upside. More to the upside, okay? So for a short position, our entry is 1.08. 1.08292. Okay? One is okay, that's one. Another entry will be 1.12515. SL 1 to 5%. TP1 1.04553. TP2 be 1.01793. Okay? TP3 be 0.09516. Okay? Scalp, another one scalp. Okay? Okay. 2 to 5% portfolio only. And then your own research, trade at your own risk. Then NFA, not financial advice. Okay. Okay. That's it for our ADA. Okay, let's check TRX. TRX. There is our TRX doing? What? How is it? Okay. It did work with our long position and also our short position. Okay, area of rejection. Okay. The long position is 0.5716. 0.57. Okay. This one is 0.5716. Okay, this is a long position. Entry is 0.5716. We find it well. We got a bounce here for long. Okay, so if you have a long position in TRX, then you have already made money. We have crossed our resistance area. It's good, okay? Okay, let's remove the balloons. So, hiding our market. Okay, so how are we going to trade this one? Okay. So if you want short position at the moment, entry, our awesome oscillator is 4-hour time frame. Okay. Lower high. Okay. Volume is lower high. Volume is lower high. We can expect change of trend. Okay. 1-hour time frame. So the top can be right here. Okay, that can be our top. So where to open short position? Our short can be 0.06037. Okay. Another short is 0.06119. Okay. This one is risky. Okay. So it might hit stop loss 1 to 5%. TP1 will be 0.05. 0.05. 737. TP2 0.05716. TP3 will be 0.05274. Okay? So long position, if you want long position, entry will be 0.0576. Okay? So entry. Okay, sorry if you can hear my pets. Second entry will be 0.05271. Okay? TP1 will be 0.05896. TP2 will be 0.0637. 037. Okay? Okay. Then SL 1 to 5%. Okay? I have a instruction here, so that's fine already. Oops. Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay, okay. Thank you for joining us for today. Okay, so this is for our TRX. Okay, you can take a screenshot. So you get to enter our short and long position. Okay. Okay, all the best, everyone. So the short is where we would most likely get a rejection. The long position is where we would most likely get a bounce. Okay. Okay. All the best, everyone. Stay safe. Take care. Cheers. All the best. Okay, for those who joined, let me check our raffle. Okay, raffle generator. For the names we will add for today. So we have Christian Legaspi. Okay? Christian Legaspi. And then another name here. Angela Purell. Yan. Good that you joined. Okay? Angela Purell. Angela. Last name. And then next is Mary. Mary Madeline. Okay? Rogando. Okay? Another one is, okay, done with Angela. And then Er, Mr. Ermela. Okay? And then Donyo. Good that you are all joining. Ara, Donyo, where is Aranas? Okay? So if you are the lucky winner for our raffle, what happens is you will be You need to confirm your entry, okay, in our Telegram community. You share your screenshot there, okay? In our Telegram that you like, the subscribe also, and you share our and you comment and then you subscribe. After Donyo, we have John. Okay, thank you for joining, John. More every day is a new entry, okay? So this is 7 days. Okay? 7 days. John, every 7 days we have a raffle, okay? John Zamudio. Okay? We have other here. Okay. Angela Purel. Okay, you're already in our list. Okay? Thank you, Chris Cruz. Okay? If you want to join Chris Cruz, you can comment 500 peso. Okay? Just comment 500 peso. Okay? So for those who wants to join, yeah, you can comment 500 peso. Okay? If Chris Cruz wants to join, you can comment 500 peso. Okay? It's every 7 days, okay? Every 7 days. So, the raffle, either it will be in GCash, okay? So we can send it via GCash, or it can be in if foreigners, then they can have it in USDT. Okay? So that we have assigned people in our Telegram community to verify all the entries, okay? So that's why I told you to to verify your entries there, okay? So you can confirm, okay? Okay, Chris Cruz. Okay? Okay. So thank you for joining, everyone. I hope all is well with you and your family. Take care, stay safe, trade safer. Okay? All the best, all the best. Cheers, cheers. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Okay? All the best. Cheers, cheers.